Hi everyone, it's March 29th. This is Dan Merkin. I'm the CEO of Trade Ideas and I'm coming to you from the console of our artificial intelligence channel. And I'm here to explain how and why we've completely changed the game from the fake kind of financial media that you get on the traditional media channels like CNBC and sadly to say even Bloomberg. Those news events, they're for the elite, the FOMC meetings, interest rates, and all that stuff. That stuff does not affect you and I. But what does affect you and I are things like this, an artificial intelligence that finds 4% gains and 3% gains and 3% gains and 5% gains and 3% gains. So all of this is done automatically by approaching the problem of trading the way the MIT card counting team approached the problem of playing blackjack. We just do a million simulations at night, learn about everything that happens today and for the last 3 months, and we keep going that way. Data is being processed much faster now than ever before, so you really have to simply be ready to react and anticipate numerically what the news can look like. Give you an example of that in something that I was fortunate to be in, but here's something happening. This is called the percolation, where it starts to go and then really comes right back. But then look at this move right here, and I personally got in at right around 309, and it's right now it's 378, but this is digesting the move. If you look at things like CGIX, it's another one where it first ran and then pulled up and then digested, but then 1, 2, 3, 4 days again. There's so many more of these. AUPH, from 3 to over 10. These companies are not your pump and dump bullshit that a lot of people talk about. What you have here is companies that are attempting to cure Alzheimer's, for example. And here's the thing you have to understand about innovation and why this is so exciting, and this could be the most important video you've heard in a long time, in terms of making money at least, or having some wealth. So the stock market is the currency of innovation because large corporations like Exxon, Google, IBM, forget all that shit you hear about Watson. IBM and companies like that, they do not really have the ability to innovate. Innovation happens at the small scale, at the garage level, at the lab level. At the big company level, you're too busy in annoying meetings. We used to do this, okay? And nothing gets done. That's why, again, look at the Schwabs and the TD Ameritrades and all of that of the world. It's not that, anything bad other than just they aren't built for innovation, but we are. And what we're doing in essence is we are helping you break the news. Here in this particular example for DFFN, we just sensed that something was coming, and this news was a new patent that was being awarded. And we'll see how that gets digested further. But again, this company also is in the oncology space. So we're breaking these news through data crunching. Look at this. Look at what we're doing here, what we're seeing. And nobody is reporting on this. Nobody cares about the individual investor. They just care about the elite. So we're telling you there's an opportunity for you to really get information that primarily will be hidden away from you because the mainstream media does not want you to see that this is possible. This is possible. Finding the right bottoms, finding the companies that are small, that are exploring and doing amazing things, but you never hear about them. Come join the revolution. See you soon.